I'm going to walk you through just the basic part of this, the first part, which is setting up your document, because the rest of it you should be able to do with the skills that you've picked up in the previous 5 quests. So to make a document, this is what you do. You go to InDesign, File, New, Document. And we want to print. These are some presets. Letter size, that's good. How many pages? It's supposed to be 2 pages. And you want to start on page 2, so it's actually pages 2 and 3 are what you get. If you start on page 1, then you don't get them facing each other, because the first page they consider like the title page. So it says it should be 2 columns, so we'll build 2 columns in there. The bleed and slug, if you just replace this with 0.25 inches with a quotation mark, everything else will line up and it converts it right back into picas. So that is a 1/4 inch. You can even see the bleed over here. We use a 1/4 inch bleed for the magazine itself. That's what our printer asks for, so it's a good idea to get in the habit of that now. So create. And then for the guides, we're going to create some more guides. Let's make 3 rows. See these little light blue ones? So now we've got a kind of a grid there. And we'll also do 3 columns. That way, if you want to break your design into kind of thirds, you go by the blue lines. If you want to do it in half, you go to the purple lines there. And that is it. And then you want to save as, so that you've got your new document and you know where it's going. That's going to go into your, let's see, where am I? Staff folders. I go into my staff folder, quest demos, poetry layouts. So I'll call this one Worden Poetry Layout. And you would just call it your last name, Poetry Layout. Save it so that you're ready to go, and then you start building your layout. So hopefully that helped. Enjoy.